Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today I decided to do something that I've wanted to do. I wanted to improve my skills in vlogging, editing, and also shooting things on the road. If you live in Uganda, you know how it is to shoot anything on the street. You always think your phone is going to be snatched or somebody is going to punch you or ask you, why are you shooting that leaf? Why are you shooting that bicycle? So I decided to go ahead and put together the amazing 8-hour trip I had from Uganda, right in the capital city, all the way to Western Uganda. It was amazing. It was a great experience. And I have one thing. So I love to experience different cultures, different foods, different languages that I don't understand, and I try to get them. I try to learn something new. And if you told me right now that, hey, Whitney, we're going here, get your passport, we gotta go. Believe me, my suitcase will be ready in minutes, and my passport and national ID will be ready on the table for me to go to any place that I've never had or I've never been or don't even know the language. So this time I went to Western Uganda. I don't really know the language. Though it's a Bantu, I can hear most of the things they're saying. But guess what? It was fun. I left with a few words I've learned. So here it is. Have fun, experience, subscribe, leave me a comment or any suggestion that you think I should try out, anything you think I should have put back in the video. So if you also want me to do a video about the things or the essentials you should always carry on any travel or road trip, let me know in the description below. Thank you. Subscribe.